Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Signing with CC. Today we're going to be learning the first verse and the bridge for Mary Did You Know by Pentatonix. We're going to use that version. The lyrics as well as the video link to the song will be in the description, so follow along as you watch this video. Okay, so the first line is Mary Did You Know. Now in sign language, names are unique to the person who is doing sign language. So for this one, I'm going to use mother because Mary is considered the mother of, well, she's Jesus's mother, so we're just going to use that. So mother, going to use your right hand. Also use your right hand when you're signing. This is my right hand. So you're going to use your thumb, have your fingers open, use your thumb and touch beside your nose. Touch it twice. Mother. So mother, you point towards a person. No, touch your head like this. This is no, this is to think. No. That, palm up, make the letter Y with your right hand and hit it. That. Baby, cradling a baby. Child, it's like patting the top of a child's head. Child. Sorry, I have to be looking at the lyrics, I don't remember it all that well. Alright, so one day, so put your hand out like this, make the letter D with your right hand, and it goes down like this. Day. Now walk, this is to walk. So it's like taking steps with your hand. Walk. And water, make the letter W with your right hand. Touch your chin with your index finger. This is water by itself, but we're doing water with C because Jesus walked on the sea. So touch your chin, wave, the motion of the water. So water. So let's do everything together now. Mother, you know that baby boy would walk, well, one day walk on water. Now the line Mary Did You Know is repeated throughout the song, so I will just be fast forwarding through it. So the next line is, Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? So mother, you know, baby boy. Now would, same thing as will. Fingers open, bring it from the side of your head. Will, would, save, use both hands, cross your hands across your chest and grab. Save. Sons. Alright, so you're going to use your left hand, keep it up, touch the top of your head. It's like touching an imaginary cap. So son, so you touch the top of the cap and bring your hand down right here. Daughters, use your right hand, use your thumb to graze against your chin like this. This is girl, but for daughter you touch your chin, your cheek actually, touch your cheek and then you go straight into this. So daughter, use both hands, so the index fingers are pointing to the front and remember, tuck your thumbs under. Daughter. So let's do that line again. Save our sons and daughters. Save sons and daughters. Let's go. Save sons and daughters. The next line, did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? So did, put all your fingers together, they're all touching your thumb, the index finger is out, and then you bring it in. So it's almost like you're calling someone, but you don't do this, it's straight. So did you know that baby boy Come, use both hands. You're going to carry it from your right side. Index fingers pointing up, not D. Tuck them under, hold them close. Put the right hand on top, put the left hand on the bottom to bring it down. Come, come, and make a fist with both hands. Put the left hand on the bottom, right hand on the top. One, it's two motions. 1, 2. So it's like sort of like a building block. So it starts way in and out. Make and new. Left hand, use your right hand to scoop from your left hand. New, new. So let's do that line again. Did you know that baby boy come make new? And the last line of this verse, this child that you've delivered will soon deliver you. So this palm, your left hand palm up, index finger at the right hand, and you touch the middle of your hand like this. So this child deliver. Use your right hand, palm facing you. Hold it with the left hand and bring it over. It's like almost sliding a mail in a mail slot. So deliver, will, and deliver again, deliver you. Now, the reason why I'm leaving out some of the words is because when you're signing, depending on the tempo of the song, it's really hard to sign every single word, and it's also not necessary. So you sign the ones that are important and you still get the same message. So let's do that line again. This child you deliver will deliver you. Alright, now the bridge, it goes like this. The blind will see. So for this one, we will just do we won't be doing all that other words. We'll just be signing 2 words at a time. So blind, index finger, put it right here to the nose. Blind, blind. See, it's like making the letter K with your hand. Put it right here at your eye and pull it away. See, see. So blind will see. Now deaf, touch your mouth and your ear. Deaf, deaf will hear. Now make 2 fingers. This is the letter, well, this is the letter H, so it's pointing up. Touch it with both fingers. Hear. So deaf, letter D, deaf, deaf will hear. The dead will live again. So dead, left hand is up, right hand is down. Flip it. Dead will, now live, make 2 L's with your hands, point them down. You're going to carry it from your waist. You can't really see my waist right now, so you carry it from your waist, carry it up. Live, live. And again, use your left hand, use this, make your right hand into a little hook, bring it in. Again. So let's do that line. Blind will see, deaf will hear, dead will live again. Now the next line, the lame will leap. Lame, so you use both hands. Use both hands when you're going to sign lame. Roll them towards you. Not like this, this. Lame, leap, use your right hand. Make your use your left hand, palm up. Make 2 little walking fingers with your right hand. Put it here. Jump off. Leap. To leap. So lame will leap. Dumb, it's like turning off your vocal cords. So it's like a switch. Dumb, or also it's used as mute. Dumb, speak. Put your index finger at your mouth. Speak. Praise, use both hands. I'm not sure how to describe it, but this is praise. The praise is the, put your index finger between, no, put your thumb between your index finger and your middle finger. Turn it in towards you and flick it out. The. And lamb, make the letter K with your right hand. Ooh. Make the letter K with your right hand. Palm. Extend your arm. Extend your arm. And you're going to rub your middle finger against your forearm. Like this. Lamb. And if when the song is playing and they hold a particular word for a time period, it's nice to say it, do it over and over again for, I'm not sure what the word is, but yes. So lamb. So let's do that entire line. Lame will leap, dumb will speak the praises of the Lamb. That was verse 1 and the bridge for Mary Did You Know. I will post verse 2 and the final verse. Now, throughout the song, Mary Did You Know is repeated throughout the entire song. So, Mary, you know. And for performance aspect, there are a lot of oohs and ahs. So, I'm going to show you how to do oohs. So, letter O. Make the letter, then draw the letter O with your hands. Ooh. Ooh. And ahs, this is the letter A. The same concept. Make a big O. So oohs and ohs and ahs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. Thank you. Bye.